Good morning. Looks like it's gonna be a nicer day today. Sun's out, so we're gonna be. How about someone here? Going down to have a breakfast at this bed and breakfast. Okay, let's go. Okay. Smells out.
We'll be ringing the bell in just a moment.
Okay. No, thank you. Huh?
Bell is a ringing.
Welcome to our 7-course breakfast this morning. My name is Tracy. I will be taking care of you. You have your water and your coffee down here at the end. And if there's anything that you would like or anything that you would need, please let me know. My name is Tracy, and we'll be getting started with our first course shortly. Okay?
All right, thank you.
There is no dairy and no egg in the bread, so it's very easy for them to keep on while they're shipped.
Oh, that's on you.
So please enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're poor man. Okay, this is a 7-course meal or breakfast, and first thing we have this fruit cream and this bread here for the first 2 courses. So, okay. How's that fruit? How's the fruit?
It's delicious.
Our most famous Oregon Dungeness crab cake. It is with Dungeness sauce, fresh sole, and things of bread stuff. On the top is served with a caper remoulade with fresh chives, citrus, and on the top it's topped with a nice little fresh chive from our garden.
Okay,
Please
thank you.
enjoy. You're
Thank you.
welcome.
How are these crab cakes? These crab cakes are delicious. This is a hibiscus melon frappe. It's supposed to cleanse the palate between the seafood course and the egg course. Correct?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
This is our egg vivant. It is a delightful little puff pastry egg basket filled with soft scrambled eggs and Havarti cheese, topped with a roasted red pepper, yellow squash, zucchini, and caramelized shallots, served alongside 2 pork link sausages with pork and spice from our friends at Taylor Sausages by Jones Glass. Please enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
This is our dessert course, and this is our Elvis cake. It is a slice of pound cake over a huckleberry raspberry wine sauce, topped with a shed of lemon chantilly and a delightful little raspberry. And as we all know, this is called Elvis cake because he liked to especially indulge in his desserts. And so it's very rich, very decadent, and he had been known at times to indulge in 2 full cakes a day.
Oh.
So we call it Elvis cake for that specific reason. Please enjoy.
Okay, thank
You're
you.
welcome.
This is the 7th course. It's just, what is it? Apples and blue cheese. So I guess that's the last one. Good. Okay, well, that was filling breakfast. So just going out here in the veranda, taking a video of this, the waves. Yeah, it's pretty good. A lot of wave action. Sun's out. So we're just gonna hang out here for maybe half hour to an hour, and then we'll be on our way. taking a stop here at the Oregon Dunes. So I'm just gonna take a look at the dunes. Okay, I'm gonna climb up to the top of this hill. we're heading back. Maybe back one more stop before we head all the way home. So how was the dunes? Dunesy. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna make a short stop, another bathroom casino break over here at the Three Rivers Casino in Florence. Oh, what do they want? I should do that again because I won before. Huh? I should do that again because that's what I won before.
Okay.
Or the Lord of the Rings, right? Yeah. I'm gonna try my luck on this again because this is what I won last time when we were in Lincoln City. So let me try it again. Okay, so I put in 20, I lost about 15. I guess you can't win every time, but the casino there was kind of smoky, so I think we should just head back home.
I ended up winning about $1.48.
Yeah, okay.
So I won a little.
All right. Okay, well that should do it for a trip. It's heading back to Portland. So, I don't know, just subscribe to my channel and you can see other trips we make later on, maybe, who knows. We're still waiting for this pandemic situation to clear out. When that happens, yeah, start planning a lot of other trips that we can go on. Okay.